Hey, Melissa, you want to help us change up the cabin air filter in the GMC Denali?
Nope, I'm taking my tool bag and my wine and I'm going back home.
Looks like it's us, Kurt.
Damn.
Today we are going to replace the cabin air filter in a GMC Sierra, Denali, whatnot. What we're working with today is a 1500 6.2 liter. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be the same for anything at least 2019 and forward for right now.
And probably the 2500s too, because the cab's the same on those.
Right. Just to let you know what we're saving, we paid $49.17 for this replacement filter here, and the dealer was going to charge $120.98. So this is a savings of $70. You're gonna see how quick this happens.
And it is an AC Delco filter, so there are cheaper ones to be gotten out there. We'll probably have some links below, but we went ahead and did the high dollar AC Delco.
Right, so if you're interested in replacing your filter, just check a link down below and buy it from us.
Now, how many miles is on your truck?
30,000, close to, maybe 25,000.
First time changing the filter?
Yes.
So it doesn't stink that bad in there?
Well, it's me, so.
Yeah, maybe it's a little past due. No, so about 25 or 30,000 in that service interval, you're supposed to change these filters.
Right.
So awesome. So what we'll do, it's going to be a pretty simple process. No tools are required. We're going to try to get some light in there and show you the best that we can. It's a tight space to get in there, but you're going to be removing your glove box, which is an extremely easy process. And behind the glove box is a little door that this thing fits into. So let's get to it.
Let's go do it. We could start with the regular shot, but I just wanted to check this out. Look at this garage. He built this whole garage by saving money by installing his own cabin air filters.
You might want to get in the back seat and see if you can, because I've got a piece down.
Seriously? I'm not that easy.
Okay.
All right, maybe I am.
I'm not going back there with you yet. Okay, this is going to be a really simple process. The very first thing you're going to do is open your glove box door. Second thing, you're going to make sure there's nothing in because you will probably lose most of it. There's a little catch down here that you're going to have to release. And literally all you do, and it's hard to get light in here, you just push it that way.
Oh, look at that.
That's done. And then you'll see where the glove box is held in on both sides with these flex clips. And all you do is pull inward and the box will drop right down and come off of the brackets.
I'm good. Yep.
Okay, so this is the door to the filter, and there's a clip on this side. You're going to pull it toward the passenger side to get this to come out a little bit, and then you're going to slide this whole door to the left, and that comes out, and you see your AC Delco filter in here. You're just basically going to reach in here, pull it out, and yeah, that does look like it's a little bit dirty.
It's pretty disgusting. I'm embarrassed.
You're going to take the AC Delco filter with the lettering out just like it was before. You're going to slide that in.
It's got arrows on it for the downward orientation too on the right.
Yes, it does. Because if you notice, when we took this out, the top of the filter was dirty, the bottom was not. And that's how we took it out. Then you're going to take your little door and you're going to stick it back in this area. A little easier done with two hands. And you make sure you clip these two clips and the one on the right. Once they slide in, you push this one in and that door is secure. That's all you have to do there. Okay, we're going to just clip the glove box door in. It's going to slip in from the bottom and you're going to have it swing upward. And as it swings upward, you're going to want to watch where this connection to the glove box is, because you're going to want to pop it back in. And then you're going to push the glove box up. And there we go. And that's just an easy drop is all that is. It's like a little hydraulic cylinder. And everything is done.
Now, if you're not careful while the glove box is out, that cylinder will come detached from the top pin and just fall off.
Yeah, the cylinder is connected with a single pin, even though it has 2 clips in it, and the single pin will come loose if you're not careful. I suggest when you're putting this glove box back in that you fully extend the rod so that as you push the glove box up, the glove box will go into the hole of the rod. And that's it.
Cool.
So the job probably takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not a long job, and the dealer was going to charge an extra $70 to do this.
Right, so 70 times 6. So we just made $420 an hour.
Man, if we could only do that every single day of the week.
See how that math works? So yes, so we have completed the replacement of the cabin air filter for your GMC Sierra, Denali, and whatever GMC 1500 product is out there, and probably 2500 from 2019 going forward.
And this is like a 1 on the scale of 10 in difficulty, and you need 0 tools, and you can actually buy these on our link to Amazon a whole lot cheaper than you can at the dealer. But we just wanted to show a comparison of what dealer cost is from a labor standpoint versus a parts standpoint. So we think this is a success. We think we saved a bunch of money, and having a few of these Denalis in the fleet, we will do it to the next few also.
Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to click the notification button.
And don't forget to like our sister channels, which is Driving with Melissa, and also Full Octane Insurance for all of your collector and exotic car insurance needs.
And check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Yep, Full Octane Garage.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.
2 old guys having fun.
All right. Rolling. And this one was $54, I guess. I'm not sure what one I was looking at. Yeah, and 120.
Wow.
That's a big difference.
So James, what are we doing today?
I'm gonna go get the damn filter out. It's sitting over there on the trunk.
Because this thing, oh, it went in is what happened. Oh shit.
What's going on?
I've cut it all the way out. I got to put it back in on the top.
All right, let's
Oh, how did that work? Shit.